apartment building. And besides, Nana's allergic to dog and cat fur. It makes her sneeze a lot.
So a parakeet is the perfect pet for your family.
Uh-huh. I keep her water and birdseed trays full. And she has this little bell to play with. And I clean off the bottom of the cage when it's dirty.
What's this mirror for?
It's a toy for Priscilla. She looks in the mirror and thinks there's another bird playing with her.
Do you ever let her out of the cage?
Yes, but only if all the doors and windows are closed so she can't fly outside.
I remember a bird landed outside on my window once.
Oh, really? Tell us all about it.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew.
Tweet, 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 tweet. There you go. He's flying away. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, what a bunch of good flyers. Here we go. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, lots of birds today. Chirp, chirp, chirp.